oceans. 97% of Earth's water is contained in the oceans and seas. Earth has 5 oceans: Indian, Atlantic, Southern, Arctic, and Pacific. And we had, I don't know, but we had a picture of like where all the oceans were located, but it didn't work.
I just want to point out, I live over here. My house, come holla at me. Party on Saturday.
Yeah, this was the slide, but it didn't really work.
This is the Earth before the Earth.
Pretty picture, right?
So, one of the things that Mr. G pointed out to me was the water cycle. I was blind to it because I did this, I don't know, 7th grade earth science. You guys remember this, right? So, the water cycle. The water cycle contains 3 major points: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and the last one we did not know about, collection. Go ahead, next slide, please. So, evaporation. Evaporation is the process where liquid water turns into a gas. It goes up into the sky and forms the clouds. And it creates nearly 90% of our moisture in the Earth's atmosphere. Here we got the liquid, a solid, evaporates from the sun, the heat, turns it up into a gas. And here's just a cool image of what it would look like. If you guys ever get to see this in real life, take a picture, it's beautiful. Right. So condensation is another part. It is the gas or vapor. It turns to liquid form. It is crucial because it is responsible for the clouds, the form of them. Are clouds gas in the air? I see you shaking your head. No, they're not. They are liquid. Is it crazy? Yes, it is. We look up in the sky, it rains, just like today. You look outside. What are we doing? It's raining. Condensation, guys.
So like, and it happens too when like you're like in your car or whatever, and like you breathe on the window and it like turns all watery. That's what it is.
Yeah, it kind of. Okay. So another step is precipitation. Precipitation is the water released from the clouds to make rain. So you got condensation, then you got precipitation. Just remember that. Condensation, precipitation. And here we got some cool pictures of what it could turn into. You know, you got the Amazon over there. You know, you got heavy rain, you got hail, and then you got snow. Waiting for it to snow here in Idaho, guys. And then here we got some dew, and then we got the mist, what you see usually in the jungles. Shout out to all the tigers out there. And the last part is collection. Collection is the water that is collected from the streams, from the rainfall, into big bodies of water. So it does, you know, help us because we get most of our water from the mountains, you know, from rain, stuff like that. But what I really appreciate about rain is like in those third world countries like India and Africa and stuff like that, they don't have water, clean water. So when it rains, you know, you see the little kids, they go out there with some jugs, put it there, let it rain. Next morning, they got drinking water. Shout out to the earth. This is just another picture of what it looks like. Got condensation, precipitation, condensation, precipitation.
So like you have the water and then it evaporates and then turns into condensation, which turns into precipitation, and then it goes back into the cycle, which is called the water cycle.
So this was a cool slide that I thought to throw in here, give you guys a curveball. So the Earth's atmosphere is actually made up of 5 parts. You got the thermosphere, the stratosphere, the metosphere, and the thermosphere, which is the one farthest away. And the mixture of it is 70% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and here we have the 5 layers.
Why is this so important? It gives us energy and it gives us heat. And it provides warmth to the atmosphere, oceans, and our surface. And it's important as photosynthesis. Come on. We need plants to live.
We need plants.
And okay, so we were assigned sun's chromosome for the sun, which means sphere of color, and it's the second out of the 3 main layers, and it's 2,000 kilometers deep. And you can't, it says sits below the solar transition region and above the photosphere, and it's normally invisible when you like look at the sun. You can really only see it during a total eclipse. And here's some pictures of it, like when you can see it in like the view. I think it's pretty cool.
Has anybody ever witnessed an actual eclipse? Gone out and seen it? Pretty cool thing to see. Pretty cool thing to see.
And that's it.
Okay, beautiful job, guys. That was 11 minutes, 15 seconds, and 100% for those two. That was great.